Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the chat completely missing or not trending in the Whatnot live source? Here's the fix. Whatnot's live chat loads separately from the video stream, so a working video but broken chat almost always means a brief connection issue with the chat server specifically rather than your overall network. First, force close the Whatnot app from your recent apps and then completely reopen it. Then rejoin the show. The chat reinitializes on every app launch and usually reconnects correctly. If the chat is still missing, go to your settings app, toggle airplane mode on, wait for about 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This will reset your network completely, then reopen Whatnot and the show. If you're on Wi-Fi, also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings. Chat works on both, but a certain Wi-Fi configuration that allows video streaming can block the WebSocket connection. Whatnot chat uses. Update Whatnot from the App Store as well since chat bugs are fixed regularly. So all you gotta do is force close and reopen. Up airplane mode reset, switch to mobile data if Wi-Fi. Chat comes back in the stream and that's it. Subscribe.